MoneyWise. For many young people, managing money is not as easy as it may seem. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your money. Set your budget. It is very important to set a budget. Make a note of your weekly and monthly expenses. It can be quite surprising how the money you spend on little things like sweets or drinks can add up. Organize your expenses into categories, such as food and drinks, clothes, transport, mobile phone costs or entertainment. Then, make a note of all pocket money or money from a part-time job that you get. Decide how much you can afford to spend for each category and see if there is anywhere you can cut back. Save up. Good money management is essential. Spend 80% of your money on your day-to-day expenses. Then, save 10% of your money for unexpected expenses, such as concert tickets or a new mobile phone. Save the other 10% for long-term goals, such as going on holiday or paying university fees. Keep track. It is very easy to spend more than you have. Keep track of what you spend from day to day. At the end of the week, check your spending and change your habits accordingly. Be realistic. If you want to buy something that costs more than 10% of your income, then you have to increase your savings and reduce your expenses.